Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Chicken Coop Large Metal Chicken Coop. These large metal chicken coops use high-quality steel pipe frame and galvanized technology, which will not rust even after long time use. The steel frame is sturdy and can withstand all kinds of extreme weather and environment. The walls of the chicken cage are made of PVC-coated hexagonal wire mesh, which is strong and durable. The small grid gap of the chicken pen, with lockable doors, can effectively prevent predatory animals from entering the coop, ensuring the safety of the chicks in all aspects. The chicken coop is covered with durable polyethylene tarpaulin, which can effectively protect the chicks from the sun, rain or snow. In addition, the face cloth has added UV protection to prevent tearing, fading or peeling, ensuring years of service life. The installation process of this walk-in poultry cage is simple and quick, with detailed installation instructions and videos to help you easily complete the assembly work without professional tools. PVC-coated hexagonal wire mesh. The wall of the chicken coop is made of PVC-coated hexagonal wire mesh that is too solid and durable to damage. Also, the small gaps between meshes add safety to your chicken that prevent them from some predators. This waterproof cover fits our cage well, providing full protection from sun, rain, snow. The cover is needed for your lovely pets. The roof pitch of the pet crate allows for water, debris and light snow to run off instead of accumulating on the roof. Our second best chicken coop for 6 chickens is Lovmer Large Chicken Coop. The metal chicken coop uses a high-quality steel pipe frame, coupled with galvanizing technology. Don't worry about rusting outdoors. The chicken run is solid enough for your chicken to have free space in it. Provide a lot of zip ties to secure it from predators. The wall of the chicken pen is made of PVC-coated hexagonal wire mesh that is too solid and durable to damage. Also, the small gaps between meshes add safety to your chicken that prevent them from some predators. The large chicken coop outdoor is covered with a sun-resistant and waterproof PE material roof that ensures full protection from sun, rain or snow. The shed frame of the spire design perfectly drains rain, snow or debris, which makes accumulation impossible. The special designed metal latch for extra reliability, and easy for you to feed your chicken and clean the inside. Designed with a number of essential pedestals that make it a wonderful house for any poultry. This pet playpen chicken coop is a necessity for any pet lovers. Quality of our chicken coop, constructed with simple assembly instructions, will set up in minutes. The whole steel galvanized frame is designed to last for years and easy to assemble. The frame of the chicken coop has no sharp edges and a durable duty locking door for security. The cage comes with strong thick wire and PVC coated hexagonal wire mesh. This keeps the animals inside, prevents escape, and other unexpected accidents. Third pick in our list is Hittite Chicken Coop. The large chicken coop is constructed with a high-quality steel pipe frame and galvanized technology, so there is no need to be concerned about rusting outside. Furthermore, our chicken coops have an upgraded reinforced design, with steel pipe thickness, 0.8 mm, that is thicker than most supplied in the market, 0.65 mm thick, making them strong and stable in windy and heavy rain conditions. This removable waterproof cover precisely fits our chicken run, providing your precious pets with a cozy refuge even in hot, rainy, or snowy conditions. This chicken cage's spire roof lets water, debris, and light snow to drain off rather than accumulate on the roof. The chicken run for yard with cover wall is built of PVC-coated hexagonal wire mesh that is too strong to be damaged. In addition, the little spaces between the meshes protect your chicken from predators. Extra big chicken coops for 20 chickens feature a specially constructed metal latch for further dependability, making it simple to feed and clean the inside. Hittite outdoor cages are ideal for giving your dogs with safety while also allowing them to get some fresh air. Our strong galvanized metal frames, hexagonal wire mesh walls, and weather-resistant covers give you peace of mind about your animal's safety in the outdoors. In comparison to competing products, we not only add a lengthy fixed support bar to the inside of the chicken coop, but we also add triangular solids all around it. The heavy-duty huge chicken cage, with its rust-resistant galvanized tube frame, is strong and durable enough to withstand any adverse weather for outdoor use. Number 4 in our side is Bold Chicken Coop. The chicken coop adopts high-quality steel pipe frame and galvanized technology, so there is no need to worry about rust outdoors. The steel pipe has a diameter of 1.00 inches, which is strong and stable in wind and heavy rain. We optimized every connection part for this poultry cage. This is the most difficult step during installation, but we guarantee the quality of these connecting parts. This greatly saves installation time and energy. The wall of the chicken coop is made of PVC-coated hexagonal wire mesh that is too solid and durable to damage. Also, the small gaps between meshes add safety to your chicken that prevent them from some predators, and the wire spacing won't pinch or provide gaps for paws to get caught on or stuck in between. The lockable galvanized door of the small animal enclosure offers extra safety and security to ensure that your backyard chickens don't escape their cage. The special designed metal latch for extra safety, easy for you to feed your chicken and clean the inside. The walk-in chicken pen is covered with a wear-resistant Oxford material roof that ensures full protection from sun, rain or snow. It's a safe and wonderful home for any poultry. Number 5 in our top 5 best chicken coop for 6 chickens list is Goodwill Chicken Coop. The Goodwill foldable coop is a spacious, 2-level chicken coop that provides 26 ft squared of activity space, perfect for 4 to 6 chickens, ducks, or rabbits. The coop features 2 large nesting boxes for easy egg collection, and a PVC layer above the nesting boxes to keep the inside dry. The removable metal tray makes cleaning super easy, and 5 access areas allow you to easily reach all areas of the coop. The galvanized wire walls and series of locks provide secure housing, keeping your household animals inside and predators out. Assembly is super easy and can be done in just a few steps. With the Goodwill foldable coop, you can provide a safe and comfortable home for your chickens without any hassle. Galvanized wire walls and a series of locks keep your household animals inside, and the predators out. The wall of the metal chicken coop is made of PVC-coated hexagonal wire mesh that is too solid and durable to damage. The small gaps between meshes add safety to your chicken that prevent them from some predators. The components of the bolt combination and quick connect chicken coop run frame design can easily and quickly build the chicken house. The package of our large chicken coop come with easily picture comprehensible instruction and necessary installation tools. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.